Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Planning to sell on Amazon FBA but confused about UPC barcodes? In this video, I will show you exactly how to get a UPC barcode for your Amazon product step by step, legit, safe, and beginner friendly. Stick around till the end to avoid some common and costly mistakes. A UPC or Universal Product Code is a 20 digit barcode, 12 digit barcode used to identify retail products. Amazon requires a UPC to list your product. It tells Amazon exactly what item you are selling. You are using Amazon FBA, you will either use a UPC to list your product or apply for brand registry to use Amazon's own FNSKU barcode system. For most beginners, starting with a UPC is the easiest way. First of all, go to gs1.org. This is Amazon's preferred provider. You get a company prefix and your barcodes are 100% verifiable. Cost starts at $30 per year for one barcode. Cheaper but not GS1 licensed may result in Amazon listing errors or suspension. Only use if you are doing retail, arbitrage, or testing products. I highly recommend GS if you are building a real brand or selling long term on Amazon. Go to www.gs1us.org. Choose your plan from here. One barcode or a company prefix. Fill in your business name and information, pay and get access to your GS1 dashboard. From there, you will find your UPC number, the option to download your barcode image, use a name that matches your Amazon seller account to avoid verification issues. Go to Amazon Seller Central. Then inventory, then add a product. Choose I am adding a product not sold on Amazon. Select your category, enter your product title, brand, and UPC. Find out the rest of the listing details. Click Save and Finish. Amazon will verify the UPC against GS1's database. If it matches, your product listing will be created. If you get an invalid UPC error, double check that your UPC is GS1 registered under your brand name. Even though you start with the UPC, Amazon will generate its own barcode called FNSKU for FBA item. After creating your listing, go to Manage Inventory, then click Edit, Print Item labels. Select FN SKU and point or download the label. Stick it on your product before shipping to Amazon. FN SKU links the product to your seller account, not just the listing, which is critical for private label sellers. Don't reuse UPCs for different products. Don't buy cheap UPCs from shady site. Always make sure your brand matches your GS information. If you are brand registered, you might not need a UPC. You can list using your brand name directly, and that's how you get a UPC for your Amazon FBA products the right way in 2025. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you want a step-by-step on brand registry or printing FN SKU labels. See you in the next time. Thanks for watching.